the big news is already out. The RBI details of the annual credit policy, and let's just bring them up for you. Well, the RBI has hiked the cash reserve ratio, or the CRR, by 25 basis points to 8.25% from 8%. Remember, the RBI had stepped in even earlier on the 17th of April and hiked that CRR. So it's clearly an inflation taming move, another move coming in from the RBI to make sure that excess liquidity is sucked out of the system and inflation is tamed. Well, as expected, the reverse repo rate has been unchanged, but even the repo and reverse repo rate has been unchanged. Let's go across to our sister channel, Profit, to find out more.
It seems to emphasize that they're not entirely willing to sacrifice growth at the altar of inflation. Just allow me to read what they tend to say here is that you have to keep in mind the fact that growth is important, and the fact that the benefits of growth also have to be kept in mind while framing the monetary policy. So clearly, if there was any fear in the market that they will give up entirely on growth in favor of inflation and containing inflation, that is not their stance. They are very much in favor of ensuring that the growth momentum in the economy does not get derailed entirely, which is perhaps one of the reasons that we are not seeing a hike in the rates, in the benchmark rates, but a hike in the CRR, because that will take care of the liquidity overhang and the liquidity situation, rather than indicate a very high or a very tough interest rate trajectory going ahead. Just another quick point on the money supply targets for the year. Those are significantly lower, in the range of 16.5% to 17%, which means that they still see a liquidity overhang from last year, and they would like to contain liquidity. So going ahead, it will be a very tight-fisted policy in terms of the liquidity scenario, and they are not perhaps willing to let any additional liquidity in the market for the fear that inflation pressures will be fueled. Shivnath, a couple of interesting points in terms of the sectoral measures also I'd like to highlight. One is on the commodity sector. They have asked banks to review the loans that are going through to the commodity sector and ensure that this financing is not being used for hoarding purposes. This is what we were talking about in terms of sectoral measures, because there is a fear that perhaps some of these commodity sectors, there's a hoarding pressure coming in, and that's adding to prices. On off-balance sheet exposures, and this is a story we've been covering extensively on NDTV Profit, they have said that they're going to review prudential norms and risk weightages for certain off-balance sheet items. They're saying they're undergoing a process right now, and by the 15th of May, they will come out with new prudential norms and risk weightages for off-balance sheet exposure. So clearly, they have a view of, firstly, yes, the macroeconomic stability, but also stability within the banking system, which they continue to address through these policies. Shivnath?